United we stand. President. Nengeri jakwata mwechi batu wano. Nengeri janyiga akantu wano. CMP. United we stand. CMP. United we stand. The Common Man's Party. Secretary General akwata kwechi yongula nga chiri masoge. Fena tukwatemo mulundi gumu soka tutemo tukwatemo mulundi gumu fenengalo za fezi kwate ku lusaniya 1 2 3 tukwateko CMP the Common Man's Party United we stand. Hello United we stand. Thank you, His Excellency Alhaji Baraka Munyagwa. Thank you, the Secretary General and the General himself, the Honorable Moses Figiwa. Thank you, the Chairman Electoral Commission, the Professor Namara. Thank you so much. Thank you, the National Chairman, Mr. Watentena James. Thank you, the Chairman.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I, Munyagwa Serunga Mubarak, having been duly elected by the Delegates Conference of the Common Man's Party to serve as its party president, hereby affirm that I will at all times well and truly serve the Republic of Uganda and the Common Man's Party in the office of the party president. And that I will support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda and the Constitution of the Common Man's Party as by law established, so help me Allah.
Ladies and gentlemen, to listen to the president, he can continue and tell you what he wants to tell you. God bless you.
Mr. Party Chairman, our distinguished Secretary General, General Vigilwa Moses, the President of the ERP, and your beautiful wife, Brigadier Fanta, the 3 deputy presidents present here, Council Tumwine JB, the Deputy President in charge of Western Uganda. Council Taminwa Mulwani, the Deputy President in charge of Eastern Uganda. Sheikh Habib, I don't know how to actually mess up his titles. This man is a very wonderful teacher at Islamic University in Uganda. Sheikh Habib is the Deputy President in charge of Central Uganda, that is Buganda. The Vice Chairman, my brother, you should come over please here. The distinguished Chairman of the Electoral Commission, Stroke Campaigns Director, Professor Mukamana Amara, my former teacher. My brother, the Deputy Chairman of the Electoral Commission, the Deputy Organizing Secretary here, the Deputy Spokesperson, and our Guarant Treasurer General. Ladies and gentlemen, I had come with a written speech, But unfortunately, out of happiness, I don't know where I pressed it. So I, I don't have a speech now. But you'll bear with me. It's not easy to speak immediately when your teacher has just spoken. It's not easy. Professor Mukama Namara taught me general paper and public communication at St. Louis College, Chegobe. He was still a secondary school teacher. He taught me between 1998 and 1999. Now he's a professor and a don at the Southern University in Uganda here. So I don't have a speech today, a written speech. I told you out of happiness, I don't know where I pressed it. But you will allow me to move in that manner without a written speech. I will first and foremost tell this conclave here that I'm glad, I feel gladdened, that today a new chapter in the history of this country is done. Ladies and gentlemen, history has a notorious habit of repeating itself. This conclave here has anointed me to take on the mantle to liberate the common man. The same happened 3,000 years ago when the children of Israel anointed Moses to take them to the promised land. Moses was despisable, the way some detractors and fault finders are trying to despise me. But I and Moses had one thing, or have one thing in common: determination, self-esteem, and confidence. Ladies and gentlemen, a new chapter in history is done. It's the typist that is delaying us. The chapter is done. We are coming. Today, it's now 25 years down the road since I joined the struggle to liberate the common man. I've been in the struggle to liberate the common man for more than half of my life. I have been in the trenches for the last 25 years. And not only being in the trenches, but as a frontline commander. My brother, General Mutasa Kafelo, and Brigadier Dafara can stand up and testify over this. I commanded them very well when we were still under the Red Top Brigade. I think I did that. Ladies and gentlemen, as we speak now, I want to give you, Mr. Chairman, Electoral Commission, allow me to press this one on record. Mr. Chairman, the tormentor of the common man, the NRM, is at its weakest, Mr. Chairman. However, Mr. Chairman, what is unfortunate, we, the forces of change, are in a very dangerous situation, ladies and gentlemen. I told you, as we speak now, the opposition is in a state of political phantasmagoria. Mr. Chairman, a few weeks back, I told you, I conducted a complete blood count of the opposition in Uganda, a CBC, complete blood count. I and General Vigiro, my brother, we also conducted an MRI of the opposition, Mr. Chairman. It is totally under a state of political phantasmagoria. Today we are here to rejuvenate the opposition. And I want to call upon my brothers in the opposition. The Common Man's Party is not here to fight anybody. We are here to augment the struggle that started a long time ago. We are not here to fight anybody in the opposition. If at all, no, none of us in the opposition has even the smallest iota of power in this country. We are trying to liberate this country from its captors. The captors of this country are the NRA, led by General Museveni. So, please, keep the eyes on the ball. Mr. Chairman, I want to report to you, the Chairman Electoral Commission, when rumors started circulating that we are coming up with this big juggernaut. I thought, I know, you are my former English teacher. What is a juggernaut? Mr. Namara used to give me 0.5 out of 100. 0.5, 0.6. A juggernaut is, I don't know, but my brother Freddy Marokweza, may you kindly stand up for recognition. Fred Marokweza is from the UK. Mama, may you also stand up. Madam Marokweza Fred. He is a son of our old Mzei Tofero Marokweza, the former cargo of Chadondo. He traveled all the way from Europe to come and attend this function, Mr. Secretary General. May you kindly take your seat. When rumors started circulating that this political juggernaut is coming on stage, people ran berserk, started blackmailing us. You see, Mr. Chairman, you allow me to mix in some vernacular a bit, because time is not on our side and I'm told the lusaniya is ready. Mbade nyonyola Chairman, nti olugamba lwe lwatandise okutambula nti ekimotoka kino kirukulula na kibayita Common Man's Party kizze, abantu batandise kuvuma Munyagwa, ate nga bavuma baffe opposition. Kakati for sure nga mupapye mangu olaba nze Munyagwa nkaabira mu bikire naye ona nkutukidde mu ngalo. Mupapye mangu nga bye tugenda okukola bingi buli wiiki guno si mukolo twayise bantu kulayiramu ennaku ntono okuva kati abamu mujja kulwala emitima. Kyenandisabye abantu obutafa pressure, obutabaki obutalabika mitima mukkirize nti Munyagwa ne Common Man's Party webali kati. I wonder abantu abangamba nti inexperienced. What are you trying to say?